Hello. Today, let's make a delicious cappuccino on your DeLonghi Nespresso Citiz coffee maker. The first step is get the shotgun capsule into position. Then switch on the appliance, and if you can see that the boiling point is reached, press the shot button. Of course, you have to place underneath a cup to to build your cappuccino now with a shot of delicious espresso. Now, while this is drained out, we are going to the foam. We are going to make a delicious and tender milk foam by using this milk foam making device on this Nespresso City's coffee making machine. For this, we get the milk into position, push the button, and then it will rotate and make so long that you will double the volume of the milk. After this, it will switch automatically off and you have the delicious milk foam. Okay, here we are. It's tender, it's hot. Now we dip it on top of our shot in the cup, and voila, there is a delicious cappuccino. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.